Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 Featured Trade Idea, the setup and trade plan for Thursday, October 4th, 2018. Today's featured trade idea will be a short, HZNP, Horizon Pharma. As you can see, the 50 has been in a long-term uptrend, so has the 200. Been on a strong bullish run up through, about mid-August. It formed a rounding top up here, and then starting, about mid-September, it has been in a bearish trend that has fallen down through the 50. It tried to climb back out, and it failed again. That is the pattern known as a blue ice failure, as coined by the late Dave Elliott. As he described it, the blue line is the ice, and the chart or the ticker is the skater, and it falls down through the ice. It tries to climb back out of the hole, fails to do so, and drowns. His position on it was that it would go to the next major moving average. In this case would be the 200. However, resistance along the way will, or support along the way, will have something to say about that. So you can see here that we've had a Doji, or spinning top, printed on Wednesday. We've also got, let me draw that H. We've got that dreaded H pattern here that you can see, and we're at that breakout level. That we'll go out and look at it at a higher level chart to see, but we're at that breakout level and we're indecisive. If we get follow through here today, I would be looking for a first target down here around 1750 something, and the second target probably in the area of the 200. But let's see if we can't pick a better level exactly. So this is an 8-day chart. Give me fewer candles. You can see that we've got something approximating a Doji continuation pattern up here at the top. That level, that looks about right. We've got highs and bodies and lows. More bodies, more highs, give or take, and bodies, give or take, and a low. So that level looks pretty good. This level down here, that looks pretty close as well. Maybe we could add another one in here. Let's see what this looks like off of that high. Yeah, if we, off of this junction here and picking up this high, and picking up this low, and this high, and this high, and these 3, 4 lows, and a low there, and the high here, and the low there, and the body of this one. Okay, so that level would be valid as well. Sanity check this on a weekly, which is more often used, and I say that they're pretty close. They may be, give or take, you might move them a touch, but they're pretty close. So that will be our setup with a first target, a breakout level here, so a buy above that or buy below that with a stop above it. I'm probably going to be looking at a stop. Let's just say we got a breakout there. It might be a 4% stop. Let's see what V-stop says. V-stop says 1950. So, okay, V-stop says just below the 50-day moving average, and I could buy that. So let's put that in. Let's say that someplace right in this area. Is our stop. Let's put our entry right down below that breakout level. And let's move some targets down here like this. Something like that. And maybe one more just for grins. And that should be about where the 200 is. So we'll probably only use two targets on this today. So let's go ahead and plan a trade. Okay, so Horizon reported on August the 8th. So we've got a little over a month until the next earnings. We've got 3 bullish, 3 bearish indications here. No signal, but we do have that rounded top pattern, and we also have that dreaded H pattern, and we have a blue ice failure. Let's plan this as 1 entry and 2 exits. Let's say that our entry is, what, 1885? With the stop, I think it was 1950. And that first target, let's call it 1755. And that second target, let's call it 1675. Okay, it says we can do 230 shares and stay below that $150 of stop out risk. Let's just look at 230 shares. It's a little bit big. Let's knock that down to 220. That gets us below 4%. And if we sold half the position at that first target, we would get our 2-to-1 reward to risk. If we had to sell the entire position there, we wouldn't make our trade goal for this trade. So we would have to look for it to follow through beyond that first target to get on down to that second target, at which point we would, of course, have made our overall trade goal, and we would have had a 9% trade overall. So that will be our trade idea for today. The markets kind of fell off the wagon late in the day on Wednesday, and as of right now, it looks like all of the pre-markets are down, let's call it 0.5%, between 0.35 and 0.55. So it looks like the bears are going to at least start us off today. So this will be our trade, evaluated against your view of the market, your style, and trading rules and criteria. If you do decide to take it, we wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy these videos, please click on the like and subscribe buttons below, as well as that notification bell. And we hope to see you in the trading room.